Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're going to make a delicious recipe, and that's how to make buffalo chicken wings. We're going to make them in the oven, they're going to come out nice and crispy, and we're also going to make our buffalo sauce from scratch. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. So here we have the chicken wings that we're going to use. I'm using some flats, some drumsticks, and if you notice, I also took off the tips from the flats because that's how I like them. And then with paper towels, we're just going to dry them completely, and this is going to help the skin get really crispy while it's baking. After that, we're going to place all of our wings in a big bowl. And then we're going to cover them completely with baking powder, and this is what's going to give us that nice golden brown color on the skin, and it's also going to thin it out, making it nice and crispy. And at this point, if you want to serve your wings plain without any sauce, you can add salt and pepper to taste. Now we're going to place a cooling rack on top of a baking sheet covered with aluminum foil, and I'm also going to spray it with a little bit of cooking spray, and this is going to help prevent the skin from sticking to the cooling rack. Now we're going to place all of our wings on top of the cooling rack, and we're going to bake them at 425 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and flip them over halfway through the baking process. In the meantime, we're going to make our sauce. So we're going to place hot sauce in a medium saucepan over medium heat. It can be any kind of hot sauce. We're also going to add unsalted butter, white vinegar, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. We're going to give this a stir and simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until everything's well mixed. And once it's ready, we're just going to remove it from the heat and set it aside. Once the wings are ready, we're going to place them in a large bowl. And then we're going to add as much sauce as we want. And then we're going to flip them over and toss them to make sure they're completely covered with the buffalo sauce. And if you guys want to see more chicken wing sauce recipes, just let me know in the comments section below. And there you have it. That's your recipe for making crispy, oven-baked buffalo chicken wings. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye, and buen provecho!